What's good, guys? Today we're going to be installing a Rector Seal compressor assist kit on my grandmother's 20-year-old condenser. I'm installing this to try to improve the longevity of it, make the compressor not work as hard so we don't have to replace a system in the near future. So this is the system right here. Let's get to it. So this right here is the Rector Seal Kickstart Compressor Assist Kit, or hard start, or whatever you want to call it. It is for 3.5 to 5 ton systems only. And what this will do, it will help the compressor start up easier when it's time for it to start. So it won't be pulling as many amps, and that's going to dramatically improve the lifespan of this compressor. So I'm going to be installing this today. Her system is 20 years old, and we want this thing to last for as long as possible. Kill the system and take these screws out to access the electrical panel. It's got the wrong bit. Alright, that's not good. Just like that. These screws out of there. That one. That one. So these screws are here. Get to the panel. Alright. There we go. This is it right here. Comes with a zip tie, I guess, to strap it up. Screw it to the thing. I'm trying to decide on where I want to screw it to, though. Let me read these schematics. Okay, for a dual run capacitor, which this is, we're going to take the kickstart. Blue and the blue goes to Herm and common. Okay, cool. So all this goes to Herm and common. This is easy. Okay, cool. Bet. Let's get it going. This is the diagram we're gonna be installing into. I'm probably gonna put it about right here on there. Okay, so I got both of the relay and the actual capacitor mounted. Now I'm about to drag these wires over there and connect them. So this one's going to go here. I don't want to touch this contactor. Even though the power is off, I still don't want to do that. It's just not something you want to do. Alright, write that one. And this one is gonna go there. Then these two blues are gonna go one to the common and then one to the Herm. Okay, that's supposed to go. All right, and then this one is going to Herm. All right, cool. So that's how that goes, and then just have to get these that zip tie right here, and zip tie it together. So zip tie this one just like that. Like this, and then bring it through. Just like that. Now I'll just cut this. There. Now we got it connected. Alright, that'll do it. Put my screws back. See that? Alright. I'm probably gonna use this some other time, so I'll just put this on the side. This. My knife in my pocket. I'm gonna turn it on and see what happens. Alright. There we go.